Hey everyone, Dan here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are starting a pond renovation in Leawood, Kansas. So we've got this little backyard area where they've got some nice seating space and good shade, lush tropical plants and pots. And they had this pond over here that they've had for several years. We're going to do some work softening up all the rock look, add some plant pockets for landscaping, kind of spruce up the waterfall right here, and then we're actually adding another waterfall right over in this spot to kind of add a little bit more of effect and give them a little bit better viewing space from this area right here on their patio. So stay tuned, see how we transform this space into a beautiful water garden again. So we've made some progress here. I've done a bad job keeping up with the video portion of this and showing, but you can see the old waterfall is torn out. Got our boulders that we're going to be reusing a lot of over kind of off to the side. Have some new boulders that we're going to be bringing in, along with some more sand and topsoil to create the area for our other waterfall over here too. So kind of just a setup demolition day for things. Not a whole lot of progress going on, but we will be back here in about 2 seconds, and someone else will be taking over this vlog.
Day 2, it is Monday. It is Kevin, not Daniel. I was not here last week to get things all started off. This is my first day out here, so kind of getting acclimated to things here. We're about to start cleaning out the pond and getting things all set up. We're gonna see what we can get done here today. Well, I am about to get out of here for today. We have our biofalls installed, skimmer set, plumbing's all hooked up and everything, so that is good. We have our rock and the majority of our dirt work around the back of our biofalls and berm all in place. We'll see what happens with the weather tonight. We're supposed to have a bunch of rain tonight into tomorrow. If it works and we can work, we will be out here. If not, it'll be at a later date. See you at that later date. It is day 3. We've had a couple days away from here now. If you can't tell from how everything looks behind me, it has rained quite a bit here. We're gonna go ahead and get things untarped here and see if we can get this waterfall constructed before rain moves back in later on this afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead, get things untarped and start setting some rocks and see what we can get done here. If you love seeing awesome content like this and want to see more, go ahead and drop us a comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave us a like. The waterfall is complete. I do have a little bit of finishing up I need to do. There's a rock tray for the top of the biofalls over there that we do not have in stock, so I have that on order. Should be in sometime next week, hopefully. So I will pop back on over here and get things all finished up on that. Really like the way it fits into the space. It is a little tight in here, trying to get everything to work in this tight of a space, but we were able to smash in as much waterfall as we possibly could in here, and I think the end result is pretty awesome here. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you around and show you what we have. I'm happy to report that this dirt is naturally organic and it is locally made. Okay. Our new guy, Kevin Tran, has 2 names that are already taken here within this company. We're gonna have to call him something else. We'll call him Bob.